If you are looking to be in a gated community in Lakewood Ranch with amenities galore, you might want to consider living right here. This is Esplanade at Azario, and I am going to show you a gorgeous home. Are you ready? Come on inside. So this is the Palazzo model. It is 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. It is 1-story high, 2-car garage, just a little over 3,000 square feet. It actually can be converted to a 4-bedroom, still with the flex room. So there are 1,474 homes within Esplanade. Like I said, it's a gated community. You can find townhomes starting in the $400,000 range to a little over $500,000. Single family homes range from the 600s to well over $1 million. Now, I personally love this monogram gas stove with the hood. Just stunning. There is a heated resort-style swimming pool. There is a fitness center. There are pickleball courts. There are tennis courts. Did I mention that there is a golf course right here in the community? There are aerobic classes. There are spa services. There are tons and miles of community walking trails. There is a gorgeous vitality park. There is poolside lounging. There are fire pit gatherings. Endless possibilities here. Get a load of this. At the Wellness Center, it is staffed with a spa manager, a nutrition, and a fitness consultant. There are luxurious spa packages, fitness classes, and wellness programs. It literally feels like you're living at a resort. There is a culinary center. You heard me right, a culinary center. 15,000 square feet of culinary experiences, including fine dining, cooking classes. They even have wine tastings, tennis, pickleball, and bocce ball. Let's go check out the primary suite. I will take you outside shortly, but that is your view from the primary suite. Check this out. closet is just massive. Think there's enough shower heads for you? Hey, by the way, if this is your first time checking out our videos, hello and welcome. If you're a returning viewer, hello, welcome back. My name is Adam Miller with the 941 Lifestyle Group. I am a real estate agent. I'm a lifestyle matchmaker. So glad you found the channel. Stick around, there's more to show. I'm gonna take you outside in a moment, but I wanted to show you this from the inside because they have double sliders, which gives you just a phenomenal opportunity to have outdoor living, but inside. So these sliders are pocket sliders, meaning that they go right into the wall, so they fully open up. Your little fireplace and television. Look at that golf course view, come on. So as I mentioned, this is a model home, by the way, by Taylor Morrison, a well-known, very well-respected builder here. When you, as a home buyer, go into the model home, there's a sales center, and there's gonna be sales associates there. They work for and represent the seller. You want somebody who works for and represents you. At the time of this recording, the home builders are still paying buyer agent compensation, so it's not gonna cost you any more money. So when you go into the model home, or if you go into the visitor center, which is on Main Street in Lakewood Ranch, just let them know that you already have a real estate agent, Adam Miller or Jessica Miller with the 941 Lifestyle Group. I get to see a lot of homes. This home though, this backyard space, that's gorgeous. What do you think? Drop a comment down below. Can you see yourself living in this home? If you have any questions at all about this home for sale or any other home for sale at Esplanade at Azario, my contact information will be down below. Reach out to me anytime.